This video will show you how you can send the FLIQ, the Family Life Impact Questionnaire, to parents. This way, parents can select their language in the link you will provide them, and their answer to the survey will automatically be added to your data collection. So you want to log in your account and select the evaluation in Air Sensor Integration, and you will first add a new record. To do that, you click Add New Record, and you start by filling the basic demographic form. You click the little gray circle, and you'll see that your username will be automatically added to this field, that is the tester ID. This way, every questionnaire, every test sheet that you fill in will be agglomerated under this username. That's your username. So when you finish, fill this demographic form, you save and exit, and then you can go to the Life Impact Questionnaire, the Family Life Impact Questionnaire, and click on Survey Options and open. And here you can select the language you want and send it to the parents. If you don't do that, parents can also select their language when they open the link. So you can copy the link and send it by email or other sending option you want.